Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you some cute Happy Mail ideas. Here shall we go? First, I bought this cute round metal box from my local shop, or you can buy either in online too. And I use this box for fill my sequences. I add some cute colorful sequence boxes. I add 8 colors. Mostly the Happy Mails is sent in between to the crafters. So I already get my Happy Mail. I can give link in description and I button. You can check my unboxing video. Then I add a butterfly die cuts. It's a peel of stickers. So it's really cute when she opened the box, and it's so cute. So I have this plan. Okay, then we will go to the cute bows. My all-time favorite in my every project is bows. In Happy Mail, we just give 3 or 4 cute bows, not more than that. It's enough for Happy Mail. And I use the silver mirror stock in between. Then rosette, one border and one normal rosette. And I use a glitter heart in center. Then one twine thread. Then this is my most favorite thing, and I just try out of my box for this Happy Mail, the embroidery hoop. And she is a super mom and young mom too, so this is so touching for her. And I use this pom-pom lace in border, and I love this. This is so cute. So I use this pouch for embroidery hoop. This is also I bought from local shop. It's more over 7 to 8 rupees, I think so. So it looks so cute in this pouch. Then MDF cuts, wooden cuts, my most favorites. So I sent this 3 MDFs. For carry this, I make a little envelope. So here I use one cover for carry these chocolates with the MDF cuts. I use Cadbury Fuse and 2 Kit Kats. Hope she also loves Kit Kats. And then just peel off the double-sided tape and roll it. This is the easy way for every packing instead of using a sellotape. That's it. And smile. This is my happy. So this is my favorite photo in her Instagram page. So hope this is so touching for her. And this is one letter for her. So this is secret. I don't want to show you. I use this thread and glitter heart for decorating this simple envelope. And this glitter roses are also new try and out of my box. Hope this will come so cute. And feather bows. Yeah, if you regularly watch my projects, this is also my favorite stuff in my projects. Then one rosette stick, and this is simple rosette stick. Tags envelope. So I fill some tags in this envelope like roses or empty tags. So hopefully this is used for her. So that's it. And I add 6 into 6 paper packs. Hopefully this is also very useful for her to make any projects. Then I have this thermocol box or vasen box. You can buy directly from market or Amazon. This is a basic size 18 to 8 inch I have. Now we can align the stuffs. First I add up pattern paper, then this chocolate and MDF envelope, then envelopes, the safe things are always comes under, then rosette stick and the metal box. Now we insert all embellishments, rosette, bows and glitter roses and embroidery hoop. So rosette, bows. After the hoop we add that glitter roses. Now color balls for little surprise look. Now we close it and just close using the tape in 4 sides just for safety. Now we wrap it. I use this wrapper from downside because bottom is not necessary. I cover it with newspaper, so I only concentrate on upper portion. So that's it. Now we tie a bow. I use this golden strip bow. Just fold on both sides. I printed this Happy Mail sticker. Now punch on middle of the heart, then it's look cute. Then we tie a bow. That's it. Our Happy Mail is ready. Now cover using newspaper. Hope you'll love my all ideas and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will give Instagram link in description. Follow for more stuff. Thank you.